Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today with a slightly different style. Do let me know how do you think about it. This is something which my barber did last week. I want to tell you all about him though, but what we are here for today is a brand new Blackview AirBuds 2. Now Blackview is a brand which normally makes rugged mobile phones which you can literally smash and drop from about 5 feet and they don't go anywhere, and we did a small reel on it a few days back and they were phenomenal, and they've sent us these bad boys right today and we're going to tell you all about it. But before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you get all the notifications and we get all the motivation. And if you're watching us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, handle is at Great Lobbyist. Do follow, like and share there. And of course we're there on the web as well, www.greatlobbyist.com. And let's get on to straight on finding out what's inside this box. Don't go anywhere, and I'm going to unbox this and let you know all about it. Hello guys, I'm back and we've just finished unboxing the Blackview AirBuds 2, and inside the box we had this beautiful looking, very unique looking case which holds the Blackview AirBuds 2, and then we have the USB Type-C charging cable and some extra silicone ear tips as well. That's pretty much it, and the booklet that we just saw inside. So this is gorgeous, as amazing as they look. I am gonna try to figure out how to open this, and there's a little arrow which tells me. So on the box, Blackview, beautiful matte finish and some technical information, Type-C charging at the bottom right here, and then a pairing button as well and some LED indicators. So let's get this bad boy opening. Voila, look at those beautiful things. Straight away opening, going into the pairing mode, as is amazing stuff. This is the most unique case that I've come across so far in reviewing, after reviewing over 32 plus pairs of earbuds, and this is absolutely gorgeous. And inside there, as they're going in the pairing mode, these beautiful small little bad boys still blinking on, desperately trying to pair with something. We're going to fix this up and let you know how the sound quality is, but let me tell you a little bit about it. Now this is a very unique and a modern design. Now this flip case is very unique and it is made out of iodized aluminium alloy, which is super cool. Love it, love it. It has this 90-degree rotation. You can place it right there, and awesome stuff. And it has on the case button. Just long press it for 3 seconds and it goes into the pairing mode while the buds are inside it as well, and tries to reconnect to the last pair device. And if you hold it for 10 seconds, it goes into complete reset. Now, one of the beautiful things about these bad boys is that there is no master and no slave, so that you can switch between and make any one of these left or right earbuds as the master, so which is quite unique, which means you can use each one of these independently. That means if you have long days and you don't want to have a stereo effect on your sound, especially when you're on the calls, you can use one of these bad boys and then the second one as independently as well. So whichever one you pick up, it's all yours. It's true wireless stereo when you put them all together. Amazing. Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless sound is absolutely brilliant. It automatically connects them when you pair it. It's got ultra low latency for gaming, and it has a better power saving performance as well, which, I mean, but Bluetooth 5.0 is amazing. Now we know that we've reached Bluetooth 5.1 and 5.2, but 5.0 works amazingly well and the data transfer speeds are amazing. Active noise cancellation by default, that comes paired with 8mm driver, which means you can absolutely enjoy the clear sound and the bass is gonna be absolutely deep. Amazing stuff. And when it comes to the battery, these boys, tiny little bad boys, pack 6 hours each, so which is amazing. And with the case, it pairs up to become 20 hours. So that means if you charge with the case fully and you use it independently, you got yourself 32 hours of listening, and with otherwise independently you still got yourself 20 plus hours, so which is amazing. And IPX7 waterproof, amazing stuff there. So go run out, sweat, dust, awesome stuff, don't worry about it. So these bad boys are gonna completely take care of that. And it is voice assistant control as well. All the controls right here on the touch, just double tap, single tap and long presses, and you got yourself voice command. It pairs with any phone that you have. So if you're pairing them with Apple, you got your Siri control here. If you're pairing them with Androids, you got your Google Assistant there, and of course Alexa as well. So great stuff. All the touch controls right here on the panel. No need to dig around and do anything, and this is done. Now the sound quality on these has been fantastic and we have enjoyed using it, and I'm sure you'll love it as well. Go check it out, let us know what you think, and I'm going to give you a chance to win these bad boys right out. If you want to win these and in this beautiful, gorgeous looking case, it is all yours. All you have to do is just leave a comment, like our video, share it with a friend, and let us know what you think about it. And you have a chance to win. And this is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off with Blackview AirBuds 2. I'll see you guys soon with the next video. Keep yourself safe. Peace.